Week 8, multiple worksheet calculations. Go ahead and open the Excel Advanced Features Dentist Summary. And in this worksheet, there are 4 worksheets in this particular workbook. The first one that appears is the fee summary. If you click the next worksheet, Carson, this is the dentist, R. Carson, and for the first 3 months, all of the revenue for all of the different categories, and then Benjamin and Jeffrey. So what we want to do is take each of the 3 months for every category of service from the 3 dentists and add them all in this fee summary sheet. So make sure you're in B7, and you can either do Alt equals or just click your auto sum. So now you have equal sum, and it has the start of the parentheses. On the worksheet tabs, click Carson by itself, hold Shift, and click Jeffrey. So you've changed all of the tabs to be the same background so that you're using all 3 of them. If you look in the formula bar, it has equal sum Carson through Jeffrey. Let go of the Shift, and then just click B7 for the very first figure for the revenue. And it shows up in the formula bar. Just press enter. And this total right here is from the 3 dentists for January in the general examination. Now you can go ahead and use your fill handle, and then it goes for each one. So that's for column C, D, and E. And then fill handle all the way down, and it'll do the totals. But what's going to happen is you're going to lose the total line, and I'll show you how to get that back. So for the last row, row 16, select the 3 months and the total, go to Cell Styles, and choose Total, so you get it back. And that's the figure for all 3 dentists for the first 3 months, and you're done. Thank you.